In today's video, I'm going to show you how to push data from Lusha to HubSpot in a simple way, even if you're a beginner. First of all, open your Lusha account and head over to your dashboard. Click on your name at the top and then go to Integrations. Here, you will find HubSpot as an option to connect. Click on it and you will be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. If you're already logged in, Lusha will connect automatically without asking for your credentials again. After connecting, it's time to map your data. Under the Field Mapping options, you can select which Lusha contacts and associated companies should be linked to specific HubSpot fields. You can choose to overwrite existing data or remove fields if needed. This ensures that all your important contact and company information is correctly synced between the two platforms. Once everything is set, you can push your data from Lusha directly into HubSpot. This makes it easy to keep your CRM updated without manual entry, saving you time and avoiding errors. And that's how you push data from Lusha to HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.